people, and this is my first video of the day, and I'm reviewing this movie called Jab Tak Hai Jaan, which is again a Yash Raj film. And this film, it's like Anushka Sharma, the lead actress. I really need to applaud her, yeah, that every movie she's able to give us a certain different dimension to her personality. Like, I'm really looking forward to this movie called Pari, because it's, you know, when you really think of it, I mean, horror is is a genre that not everybody is able to pull off. I mean, pull off in the sense like pull off an audience probably, but this movie, the trailer at least, is so intriguing that I think I'd want to go and watch it first day first show. So yeah, so I think this particular video, more than more than it being a review of the movie Jab Tak Hai Jaan, I think I would rather make it like a certain, almost like a promotional thing. I mean, a fan wanting to watch the movie Pari, because did you know there is this Japanese healing organization called Happy Science, where they speak of the fact that many people who, in fact, any sort of health issue, in fact, yeah, this is a Tibetan thought process that any sort of illness, or even mental illness or depression or anxiety or anything, is partly because there is a negative entity that has taken control of you, and that's why it's manifesting. So in this particular trailer that has Anushka Sharma saying "I love you" to that another entity. So that is, it can give you goosebumps. So it's so strange that both the Anushkas of two industries, Anushka Shetty and Anushka Sharma, both are coming in these, horror type of being possessed sort of movies. So that's interesting. But so yeah, this is looking forward to the movie Pari, and I'm sure, like all Anushka Sharma films, it will be unique. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.